How long will it take to get my ERC refund? Now, as you know, in September, the IRS announced that it was pausing the processing, and they had stated that anything that they had received by August of 2023 would continue to be processed with a time frame of about 90 days. Then they also said that it would start processing again at the beginning of 2024, and we could expect 90 days processing time from that point. And anybody who is receiving in the six figures, it would take a little bit longer because it has to go through several approvals. This was already the case in the past, but now they've announced it officially. So I wouldn't rely exactly on what the IRS announced in September, because I've had further conversations with the IRS where they have told me that in actuality, anything that was not received by May of 2023 is on hold until 2024, and then it will be processed, and probably then it will take like 6 months from that time. So I would just say it's delayed. It's delayed. It's delayed. There's been no law that's canceled the ERC, so it's still moving forward, just slowly. I would move forward with getting my forms sent into the IRS, working with a professional, working with somebody who's an enrolled agent or CPA who is a real part of a real tax firm that's offering all kinds of tax services, so that we know that they are legitimate. The IRS has actually sued some of these firms who went out telling everyone that they qualified without doing proper procedures to qualify them. I have read some of the lawsuits, and I think that we are all pretty safe. The people that I have worked with, we have done the proper qualifying for those clients. So work with a professional and get going on processing it, but just don't spend it until you get it. I would say expect delays. I don't care what the IRS promises you 90 days. Just make sure that the person you're working with can check that the IRS has received your forms and they've at least been forwarded for processing. I can do that with TDS Online. When I get a power of attorney with my clients, I check, make sure it's there. And I have just had glitches of the client thought they sent it in and they didn't send it in, or the IRS lost it. So you don't want to wait till the deadline to get these mailed in. Get them sent in. We can't e-file them. So there's really, the only way to check is by having a return receipt. So the ERC continues to be processed, just slowly and with delays. It's still valid. It's under a lot of scrutiny from the IRS right now. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thank you so much.